Place your hot dogs and hamburgers right into your air fryer. Just get those all right into there, placed down in, because I'm showing you how to cook hot dogs and hamburgers inside of the air fryer. Yes, that's right, all right in there. Take some salt. You're gonna sprinkle your burgers with a good amount of salt. Then, of course, also take freshly cracked pepper, crack your pepper all over top. Look at that, hot dogs and hamburgers going on right in here. Then, take your spray. Now, the benefit of doing an air fryer is that you don't need that much oil. So you're just going to take your spray those, get them fully covered in all of that spray. That is beautiful. Look at that. That's going to get us a nice crust. Now, just take your hot dogs and hamburgers and place them straight into your air fryer. Now, I'm going to turn on our air fryer right over here. Get that on. Beautiful. Turning on air fryer. And click on for the air fry. Go to air fry setting. We are now going to air fry this at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit and start. Listen to that hum, and now our burgers and hot dogs are cooking. And open it up. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm now gonna give them a little flip, but first let's just take a little bit of barbecue sauce and just get that barbecue sauce all over. Use your brush those with barbecue sauce. You know, that'll kind of caramelize in there, get really nice, even a little bit on those doggy dogs. And then I'm just gonna take my spatula, give the burger a flip, just like that. We're gonna cook on the other side to get that nice golden brown and crispy as well. It smells really good in here. I am very optimistic this is gonna come out delicious. Just place it right back in, and we're just gonna keep on air frying and seeing how it goes. Oh wait, oh boy, oh no, I forgot a little bit of the barbecue sauce just right on top. Bam, 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 easy as that, and whoo! Air fry. It smells like a barbecue. All right, I think these are now ready. Okay, I'm sorry. You can hate on me all you want, but this looks incredible. I'm gonna take the dog, place those dogs just right into those buns, and they look absolutely incredible. Now I'm gonna make two different ways. You know, this first person who's gonna eat this hot dog likes some just, mustard. So just, a little fart, get that mustard on there. And the second person just wants, a classic little bit of ketchup right over there on that hot dog all over top. Beautiful. And then, for the burgers, okay, look at that burger. Come on, tell me that does not look incredible. Made entirely in the air fryer. I'm just gonna place those right there. Then, just customize it. You can do some of your pickles over there. Lettuce would be good. I'm currently out of lettuce, so I can't do that. I'm gonna do a little bit of ketchup right on top. This one's gonna be just a very simple burger. I mean, you should do more than this, but this is all I have. I just wanted to show you this incredible hack. And look at that, you have a burger right over there cooked entirely in the air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna go for a dog. That's what I'm in the mood for now. Ready? Cheers to air fried hot dogs cooked inside of an air fryer, as you know. Oh wow. That, look at that. Steaming hot, really crisp on the outside. One more for you along. Comment below what you want to see me make in an air fryer next. I mean, again, what can't you make in an air fryer? That's the question.